So we're on an antique TV pick here today in Glastonbury, Connecticut. Very isolated place. My truck had to make it up this sheet of ice, but she did it in four-wheel drive. So let's see what we end up with here. So here we have in this TV hoard a Lone Blonde Zenith. Then we have about 10 sets over here, all looking at me, hello, that are like kittens in an animal rescue waiting to be adopted. Unfortunately for these guys, not everybody is going to have a seat on the ship. We're going to test the CRTs and see which ones are worth our time and which ones are not. We have an Emerson here, early 50s. We have a Satchel Carlson here, which usually made sets for schools and such. Pretty good stuff. We have a Sentinel here. There's actually two of those. We have this one. And we have this one. Both early 50s. We have an unusual Dumont here. Early 50s Zenith Consulette. A later Dumont here, hard to see. And a TVD here. So let's test the Kinneys and see what we have. So right out of the gate, we have the 1956 GE Portable. We call these the 55 Chevy. And the CRT is like popping good. So if the rest of them are like this is a honey hole. So inside the TV pick mansion here, we have a dismembered body, torso, and we have junk strewn all over the place. So obviously the people that lived here were ejected from the premises and had to leave most of their stuff behind. It's pretty sad to see what happens to some people, but that's what you have. Just a big mess. Of course, we're always ready to have activities when we're out on a pick. And here's the neighborhood that this house was in. A swanky suburb. Houses are like $2 million.